Hello friends, this is the second episode of 10 quick bicycle service tips. Today, the brakes. If you want to quickly set the right position for your braking pads on the cantilever brakes, this might not be the best way to do it. Unthread your bar adjuster so that the braking pads will touch the rim. Now you can easily set the position of it without having four hands. I'm releasing the tension on the cable. Beautiful. You can use the same exact method for the V-brakes, it's just that the bar adjuster might be in some other place or just by the lever, like here. This is for securing your caliper brake when you transport the bike without the wheel. We slide this little piece of plastic in between the braking pads and this part will click into its place so that you don't lose it. Just like that. And in case somebody pulls on the brake, these braking pads are safe. And if you own one of the cheapest disc brakes, which are mechanical with only one piston moving, you see, only the right one is moving. Remember to adjust this non-moving braking pad as it's wearing down. You do it by turning this adjustment, like that. This is a braking pad from a V-brake or cantilever, and what you see here are some stones or pieces of metals, and these will wear down your rim. That's why you should use a file from time to time and just file it off. Clean those pads. You will wear these pads a little, but you will prolong lifetime of the rim. When to replace your braking pads? Your braking pads should have a line or the edge like this one or this one here. This one even says wear line. If you're wearing this compound up to this line, that would be the dead line for these braking pads. Nothing says wear line here, but this edge would be your wear line. This is the thickness of the new braking pads on your hydraulic disc brakes. If you get close to 2 millimeters of this compound or less, you replace the pads. An interesting thing is that you can replace either the whole braking pads or you can buy such a cartridge which has little clip here, sometimes little screw, and this allows you to replace the compound only and keep this pad. That means you don't have to readjust your brakes after replacing this thing. This is also more eco and it's cheaper on the long run. If one side of the brake is moving more than the other, you can adjust its spring tension. Better. Very good. The rotor is bent. But the fix is easy. Find the place where the braking pads are rubbing against the rotor. That's here, and that's the inner braking pad. This is a rotor true. And so this thing will allow you to true the rotor safely. Don't use the calipers for that. And the safest way to do it is to use a tool which is designed for it. That's it. Very important tip for the brakes is to learn to always use both brakes, almost always. If you don't learn to use the front brake, in some emergency situation, you will squeeze it in panic and go or fly over the bars. That's it for this episode. The next quick tips will be about the pedals. Subscribe for more and see you in the next one.